See, doctors prescribe some medicines, tablets, injections, and some kind of syrups to the patients or children before we are going to affect with the disease. Have you seen any time? Before. See, taking the medicine after getting diseased is separate. Taking the medicine before getting the disease is separate. Both are separate, Nana. Medicines, tablets, injections, syrups, if you take after getting the disease, that is a normal thing. That will come under a normal thing. But vaccine means whatever in any form, either in tablet form, either in injection form or syrup form, whatever it may be, taking it before we are going to get the disease. Taking it before we are going to get the disease. Have you heard this proverb? Prevention is better than cure.
Yes, teacher.
Have you heard this proverb any time?
Yes, teacher.
Prevention is better than cure. వ్యాధి వచ్చిన తర్వాత నయం చేసుకోవడం కంటే వ్యాధి రాకుండా జాగ్రత్త పడడం ముఖ్యం. That is the meaning of this term. Prevention is better than cure. Cure means after getting the disease, getting treatment. Prevention means trying our level best to don't get disease. Understood, Nana? వ్యాధి వచ్చిన తర్వాత చికిత్స చేయించుకోవడం కంటే వ్యాధి రాకుండా జాగ్రత్త పడడం ముఖ్యం. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ వ్యాక్సినేషన్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ పాయింట్ బిహైండ్ vaccination. Did you understand, Nana? The basic meaning of the vaccination, did you understand or not?
Yes,
So,
teacher.
the process of consuming medicine before we are going to get the disease, that is nothing but vaccination. Okay? That is the definition of vaccine. How a vaccine works. Mechanism of vaccination now we will learn. Mechanism
Teacher,
of
tell about vaccine and teacher.
before getting the disease we are getting protected. Getting protection before getting the disease is called vaccination. వ్యాధి రాకుండా జాగ్రత్త పడటం, వ్యాధి రాకుండా ముందుగానే జాగ్రత్త పడడం, దాన్నే వ్యాక్సినేషన్ అంటారు. Did you understand what is the meaning of vaccination?
Yes, teacher.
So now let's get into the mechanism of vaccination. How a vaccine works in our body. So
Yes, teacher.
before we are going to learn about vaccination, first we have to learn what happens when a disease causing microorganism enters into our body. Whatever it may be, either bacteria, fungi, virus, whatever it may be, when they enter into our body, what they will do, what our body will do, that thing we will learn first. After entering into our body, disease causing microorganisms, whatever it may be, either bacteria or fungus or whatever you think, the disease causing microorganisms after entering into our body, they will release a particular chemical called as antigens. What are those, Nana?
Yes, teacher.
Antigens means suppose a person entered into our body, a thief entered into our house. He wants to take away everything. So he will carry some weapons with him, yes or not? Why? What is the need for carrying a weapon?
knife or a gun. Like
Why?
that.
What is the need for carrying a weapon?
If anybody see him, he will kill.
Yes. To threaten.
Everybody.
To threaten. If anybody saw him, he can threaten them. He can threaten them, or if he wants, he can kill also. Yes or not? So, how a thief carries weapon with him, same like that only. Disease causing microorganisms, when they enter into our body, they will release antigens. They will release antigens. See, in our body, WBC, you know, no? What are WBC? White blood cells. What are WBC? White blood cells. White blood cells will protect our body from outer dangerous things. If any foreign particles, any harmful particles enters into our blood, immediately white blood cells, they will fight against that persons. How a military person does his duty? Yes or not? If any terrorists or somebody attacked on our country, immediately who will do the counter attack?
Our vaccine.
Our military or police persons. Yes or not? So here also the same duty, the military and the police work will be done by WBC. So this WBC immediately recognizes the antigens. See, you want to fight against one person, what you will see, first thing what you will see in that person?
The target or the person.
Weapon. Yes or not? Suppose somebody is going to attack on you. You are going to counter attack that person. So what you will see that person, what is the first thing you will observe in that person? What are the weapons? Yes or not? What are the weapons he is carrying? Yes or not?
Target.
So here also WBC will first identifies the antigens released by the disease microorganism. So after identifying the antigens, WBC wants to fight against the disease causing microorganism. For fighting, WBC also needs a weapon. And what is that weapon? Those are called antibodies. Those are called antibodies.
Bodies.
This is the weapon of WBC, means our body weapon. This is the weapon of disease causing microorganisms, means our enemies. Our enemy's weapon is antigens. So when antigens are released in our blood, WBC recognizes that antigens and releases antibodies. Now these antibodies fight with the antigens and kill them completely. Why? Because these disease causing organisms number is very less, but in our body WBC are in huge number. A large quantity of WBC will be present. So more WBC means more antibodies will be released. Okay. So more antibiotics, automatically our body power is more compared to the antigens power. So antibodies attack the antigens and kill these microorganisms. All the foreign particles, whatever came from outside, all those microorganisms will be killed and they will be eliminated from our body. Like suppose if you got any wound, after some days we will get white color pus on it. Have you seen any time? Cheam pattadam amma.
Yes, teacher.
Cheam pattadam or a white pale color liquid will come out sometimes. That is nothing but dead microorganisms. Antibodies killed no microorganisms. That dead microorganisms need to come out of our body. So how they will come out? They will come out through pus. They will come out through urine. So when we will urinate, when we will pass out urine, through the urine also microorganisms will come out.
Teacher.
Did you understand, Nana? how the process
Yes,
is
teacher.
happening in our body? Emma,
Teacher, can you reply?
I will repeat it once again. Listen to me carefully. Suppose something disease causing microorganisms entered into my body, whatever it may be, fever causing or headache causing or cough causing, whatever it may be, something microorganism entered into my body. When they enter into our body, they will release as antigens.
Antigens.
What they will release, amma? Antigens. So when disease causing microorganism
Antigens.
releases antigens
Yes.
in our blood, WBC will be present. WBC means white blood cells.
Blood cells.
The white blood cells present in our blood, immediately they will get activate. When they recognize as antigens, immediately they will get activate.
Instantly fight.
They will activate and releases antibodies.
Antibody.
They will activate and releases antibodies. These antibodies fight with the antigens released by the disease microorganisms and completely kills them. And completely
Antigens.
kills them.
Touch.
So our body it almost fought against the disease microorganism and completely killed them.
Then.
Understood, Nana? For the first time,
Teacher.
this disease causing microorganism entered into my body for the first time. For the first time, our body means WBC. WBC takes some time for recognizing. Listen, Nana, I will say one small thing. A thief entered into your house for the first time. We will react to him after some time, yes or not? Immediately we don't know what should do. We will be in a confused state. We don't know what have to do. But first time it will be difficult to face that thief. Next time again same robber, same thief entered into your house. Will you take more time to attack, or within seconds you will attack?
Yes, teacher. Yes, right.
Will you take more time, or within seconds you will attack that person?
We will attack that person.
Why? Because we already saw that person. We already know how the person reacts. Why? Because first time we are habituated to that person. So second time, if the same person entered into your house, within seconds we will react and we will attack that person. Yes or not? Here also, when our body finds this microorganism for the first time, it will take a little time to do counter attack. Second time, if the same microorganism entered into our body reacts within seconds, very rapidly, with a very power, with a huge amount of power, it will attack the microorganisms and kill them completely. Did you understand, Nana? This is what happening when a disease causing microorganism enters into our body. By observing this mechanism, scientists done a lot of research work for a long period of time, and then they finally prepared vaccination. How a vaccine works. Is it clear, Nana, this mechanism first? Emma,
Teacher.
is it clear or not? So, how vaccine works in our body? Let us discuss. Vaccine. Vaccine means nothing but entry of weakened disease causing microorganism into our body. Did you understand anything?
What is DCMR?
DCMR, disease causing microorganisms. Entry of weakened disease causing microorganisms into our body is called vaccination. Did you understand anything?
Yes, teacher.
What did you understand? What you understood?
This is
Teacher, all are talking, teacher. I can't catch your voice.
See, Amma, vaccination means, suppose, let us discuss about our corona only. See, everybody are suffering with corona disease. So, government is providing vaccination for us. Vaccine means what? That is not a medicine. They are injecting coronavirus only into our body. But that coronavirus will be...
coronavirus.
Amma?
Coronavirus only.
Yes.
Corona.
Okay. Listen. First listen to me, after say your views. Okay? They are inserting COVID causing virus into our blood. But that virus will be in a very weak stage. Very weak, not a powerful virus. Very weak virus they will inject into our body. So, when our body sees that microorganisms, immediately not, it will, for the first time it is seeing our body. So our WBC slowly recognizes the antigens, and against the antigens what they will release?
Fight.
WBC what they will release?
Fight.
Antibodies. What they will release? Antibodies.
Fight.
So, when the weakened disease causing microorganism enters into our body, they will release as antigens. Our body slowly, listen to me. Our body slowly recognizes the antigens and releases antibodies. These antibodies fight with the antigens and kill these microorganisms and eliminate them from our body. That is nothing but vaccination. Weakened microorganisms they will inject into our body. When that weak ones our body sees, after some time it will recognize us that weak microorganism, it activates, fights with it and kills it completely. Second time, if you got unexpectedly coronavirus, unexpectedly you are affected with the corona. Second time, our body performs a reaction very immediately. Why? Because it has already seen that virus. Emma, did you understand? Why? Because our body already seen that virus and fought with that. So second time, even though we got corona also, our body will get immunity power against that and it will attack very easily and kills them perfectly. That is nothing but vaccination. Understood, Nana? Vaccine is nothing but that is not a medicine, Amma. It is not a medicine. We are preparing our body for that virus. We are preparing our body for that virus. Did you understand or not? Emma, everybody understood or not? Understand? So, this is what vaccination happening in our body. Mostly previously, now not previously, for the babies, newborn babies will be no. అప్పుడే పుట్టిన పసిపిల్లలు newborn babies, for them vaccination is very very compulsory. Out of that, the mostly given vaccine is polio. polio vaccine is compulsory. Even now also, for the babies, every Sunday, polio vaccination will be arranged by the government. They will give
Teacher,
pulse polio programs will be conducted by the government to give polio drops for the babies till 5 years. Till 5 years, the baby need to get polio drops at least once in a 3 months. Have you heard any time polio drops?
In a year, one time. Then.
We year once or 6 months, for every 6 months once, like that also will give. Understood, Nana? So mostly polio vaccine will be given to the babies. Now the very well famous one vaccine was COVID vaccine. Now the COVID vaccine became very popular. Everybody need to be vaccinated. Why? Because the disease is spreading a lot. In our surroundings, the disease is huge. So we have to prepare our body. We have to prepare our body to kill that virus. So what they are doing, the government is providing a vaccination. They are injecting a liquid into our body. What is that liquid, Nana? What is that liquid? That is nothing but a weak coronavirus sample. Very weak. Very weak coronavirus sample only they are injecting into our body. Have you seen anybody? Very weak coronavirus sample is injecting into the body. And have you seen any time any vaccinated people? If you see, today suppose they are vaccinated, in the next day they are getting fever. Yes or not? Fever, body pains,
Teacher.
everybody, that is
Like
compulsory.
Sometimes will come, teacher, after vaccinated.
Yes.
Don't worry, teacher.
Yes.
After.
Dead not, amma. Release to, sorry, listen to me clearly. We did not introduce the dead microorganisms. We will introduce weak microorganism. Emma, weak, dead, both are same, huh?
No, teacher.
Dead and weak both are not same. I am weak. I am unable to walk properly. I am dead. Both are same, amma.
No, teacher.
No.
Teacher.
Weak microorganisms we will enter. Why? Why powerful microorganisms we are not entering? Powerful microorganism means first time our body facing, no, it cannot react properly. First time it is seeing, no, it is very weak. It cannot react properly. So that's why we will inject weak microorganisms. Weak microorganism means it will take very less time, and within that time it will react to that. Okay, so don't write dead microorganism. If you write dead microorganism, you are wrong. Understood, Nana? So COVID vaccinated patients, whoever taken vaccine, they are suffering with a fever for 1 or 2 days. The fever or body pains. Why? Because this is what happening in their body. That a virus is releasing antigens to kill our body, and against that virus, our WBC are releasing against that virus, our body is releasing antibodies. So they both are fighting with each other. A war is happening. So when a huge process is happening in our body, automatically our body temperature rises. So when the body temperature rises, our body strains a lot. అలసిపోవటం, మన బాడీ ఎక్కువగా అలసిపోతుంది. So when we strains a lot, we will get body pains. This is what happening after vaccination. Emma, did you understand or not?
Teacher.
Everybody,
అండర్స్టాండ్ టీచర్.
ask your doubt, Nana.
టీచర్ ఇప్పుడు వ్యాక్సిన్ అంటే వీక్నెస్, చాలా వీక్ గా ఉండే వైరస్ ని పంపిస్తా ఉన్నారు కదా బ్లడ్ లోకి.
Yes.
మరి అది స్ప్రెడ్ అవ్వదా టీచర్?
It will spread, it will try to spread, but who is stopping that spreading?
WPC.
WBC
WBC.
నానా
Antibodies.
మా నీకు జ్వరం వచ్చి ఇంట్లో పడుకున్నావురా 2 రోజుల నుంచి నువ్వు అసలు లెగవట్లేదు. మీ ఇంట్లోకి ఎవడో వచ్చి నీ మీద అటాక్ చేయబోతున్నారు. నీ ఒంట్లో ఎంత ఓపిక లేకపోయినా నువ్వు ఎంతో కొంత ట్రై చేస్తావు కదా వాడి దగ్గర నుంచి పారిపోవడానికో లేకపోతే మీ ఇంట్లో ఉన్న కొన్ని సామాన్లు కాపాడడానికో నువ్వు ఎంతో కొంత ప్రయత్నిస్తావు, అవునా కాదా? నీకెంత ఓపిక లేకపోయినా ఎంతో కొంత ప్రయత్నిస్తావు, కనీసం వాడి దగ్గర నుంచి పారిపోవడానికైనా ప్రయత్నిస్తావు, అవునా కాదా? This is what WBC is doing. That is the same thing. WBC is trying its level best to fight with the disease causing microorganism, and it will try to win. Why? Because it is very weak. The microorganisms are very weak. అవి చాలా బలహీనంగా ఉండటం వల్లే WBC అనేది ఎక్కువ నెంబర్లో ఉంటాయి మన బాడీలో. సో మ్యాక్సిమం ట్రై చేసి వాటితో ఫైట్ చేసి వాటిని ఎలాగైనా బాడీలో నుంచి ఎలిమినేట్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాయి. అండర్స్టూడ్? సో దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్ వ్యాక్సినేషన్. The first vaccination was discovered on the basis of this only. Okay, Nana? And polio vaccination. Polio vaccine will be given to each and every born child. Now only not amma. From 100 year onwards, we are following the same thing. Every child, whoever will born, he has to take a polio vaccine. Understood? Why? Because before getting the polio only, we have to take the vaccine. After getting a polio, there is no medicine for polio. వచ్చిన తర్వాత దానికంటే ఎటువంటి ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఉండదమ్మా పోలియోకి. అందుకనే రాకముందే పోలియో అనే వ్యాధి రాకముందే మనం జాగ్రత్త పడాలి. దట్ ఈస్ వై వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ పోలియో వ్యాక్సిన్. వన్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ గాట్ పోలియో, దెర్ ఈస్ నో ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఫర్ దట్ పర్సన్. హీ హ్యాస్ టు సఫర్ విత్ దట్ పోలియో లైఫ్ లాంగ్. మా ఎప్పుడైనా పోలియో పేషెంట్స్ని చూసారా? హ్యావ్ యూ సీన్ ఎనీ టైమ్ పోలియో పేషెంట్స్? పోలియో మీన్స్ any organ, either hand or leg will not work properly. పెరాలసిస్ కాదమ్మా, పెరాలసిస్ వేరు, పక్షవాతం వేరు, పోలియో వేరు. పెరాలసిస్ మీన్స్ ఎంటైర్ వన్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద బాడీ, వన్ సైడ్ ఏదో ఒక సైడ్ అనేది పర్మనెంట్గా వర్క్ చేయడం స్టాప్ అయిపోతుంది. లెగ్, హ్యాండ్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్, ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పార్ట్ కంప్లీట్లీ స్టాప్స్ ఇట్స్ వర్క్. దట్ ఈస్ పెరాలసిస్. ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ polio. Polio means anything, either leg or hand will get infected by the virus and they don't show any respond anything will not be for that hand or leg. They will walk with the sticks and they will have leg stands to them. Emma, Stalin movie, have you seen Stalin movie? Stalin, Chiranjeevi movie. In that movie, all the polio patients, they will conduct one running race. All the polio patients will perform in that. They all are polio patients only. One side of the leg will not work properly. One leg, it won't even grow also. It will be in small size. They don't show any response also. Why? Because the virus is affecting the nerves of that particular part. Once a nerve get infected, nerves will not be replaced. Understood, Nana? So that's why polio vaccination is very, very important. And now in the present crisis, COVID vaccination is also very, very, very important. So please advise your elders, your parents to get vaccinated. Even though they got fever or body pains also, that is not at all a problem. Okay? Just for 2 or 3 days they will be in a diseased state, that's all. After that their body will be perfect. Understood, Nana? Now here comes 2 important bits related to polio vaccine. Ma, this vaccination question is very important. Repeatedly they are asking in your exams.
Teacher.
Polio vaccine. Polio vaccine was first discovered by Dr. Jonas Salk.
Jonas.
Dr. Jonas Salk. The first polio vaccine was discovered by Jonas Salk in the year 1952. And Dr. Albert Satin. Albert Satin discovered
To distribute it
oral
to
polio. Oral polio drops.
So he never patented his polio vaccine.
Oral polio drops in the year 1957. See Nana, what is the difference here is Jonas Salk discovered vaccination. Polio vaccination. Vaccination means they will give injection to the hand. See, you check your father or mother everywhere, everybody for the left hand shoulder. On the left hand shoulder, a round circle mark will be.
Yes, teacher.
That is nothing but a polio vaccination through injection. Tika vetam. Tika vetam,
Yes,
amma.
teacher.
That is injection form. So,
Yes, teacher.
till 1952, only injections only they started giving. Polio injections.
After
Later-
1952, in 1957,
Yes.
polio drops.
Oral polio drops. See, for the elder people, giving a vaccination is not a problem. But for the small babies, newborn babies, appude puttana pasipillalu, newborn babies, giving their body is very weak, no nana. Their body is very weak. They can't even sense that vaccination pain also. So, to cure that babies from that pain, oral polio drops. Oral polio drops means through mouth. Giving that drops through mouth. Have you seen any time?
Teacher.
Anganwadi teachers give drops to the people.
Teacher.
Students, 2 to 3 drops they will put in the baby's mouth. Yes, that is the picture. Oral polio drops.
Also there.
Oral polio drop. That first oral polio drops was discovered by Dr. Albert Satin in the year 1957. Is it clear, Nana? Both are very, very important bits.
Yes, teacher.
First polio vaccination was given by Jonas Salk. Jonas Salk. First polio vaccination was given by Jonas Salk. First oral polio. Oral means through mouth.
Oral
Through
polio.
mouth, not giving injection, Nana. Through mouth, what they are giving?
Yes, teacher. Oral
Drops.
polio drops.
Oral polio drops. So through mouth,
Polio drop.
oral polio drops was given by
Mouth.
Dr. Albert Satin. Who is the scientist, ma?
Dr. Albert Sabin.
Satin, not Sabin. Sabin only, I think so. Sorry. Dr. Albert Sabin. In the year 1957.
1957.
Dr. Albert Sabin in the year 1957. This is the story of vaccination, Nana. Very, very, very important thing. If anybody asked also, you can explain in your house. Some people don't know na vaccination. No need, we don't take a vaccine. Those all the things they will say. Yes or not? So you educate them. Why? Because you learned what is vaccination means. You understood now. You educate them. You aware them. You make them aware of that thing. And make your relatives, everybody to get vaccinated. Why? Because if we got corona, it is very highly impossible to come out of that virus. We have to go through so much of treatment. After a lot of treatment only. Even now also there is no medicine for corona, Nana. Do anybody invented medicine for corona?
Only vaccine.
No medicine. There is not at all a medicine for corona. Even now also research work is going on. They did not discover any medicine for corona. So as there is no medicine, what is the only option for us?
Vaccine.
Vaccine. So until the discovery of medicine, the only option for us is vaccination. So be vaccinated, be safe. Okay? So today's class completed, Nana. In the next class, we will learn the next concept. Okay,
teacher.
I'm ending up the class.
Okay, teacher. Okay, teacher.